Today, boys and girls, we're going to be talking about syllables. So let's write your name at the top first, and then we're going to count how many syllables in your spelling word. So the first spelling word is hot. Please write hot on the line. H-O-T. Then I want you to clap. How many syllables in the word hot? Ready? Hot. There's just one. So we fill in the bubble for 1. Now let's write our next word. Not. N-O-T. How many syllables in not? Let's clap it. Not. Just one. Most of these words are just going to have one because they're simple words. Our next word is log. L-O-G. Let's clap the syllables. Log. Just one. The next spelling word is jog. J-O-G. Let's clap it. Jog. Okay, just one syllable. As we get harder words, we'll find that we're getting more syllables as we go. Our next word is fog. F-A-G. Let's clap our syllables. Fog. Just one. The next word we have, on. Say on. Good. Just one syllable. Our next word is dot. D-O-T. Now, say the word dot. How many syllables? Just one. Good. Number 8. The word is dog. D-A-G. How many syllables? There we go. It has one. Our next word is box. B-A-X. Box. Say it and see how many syllables? 1. Good. Now we're going to do a hard one at the end. The word is hot dog. Hot dog. H-O-T-D-O-G. Now let's clap hot dog. Hot dog. How many syllables? 2. Good job, boys and girls. Go ahead and put this in your mailbox and start on your Lexia.